something that will show him that you really care for him. It's in the little things. These things don't need to be huge, humongous things. It's in the little things, and pay attention to detail. One of the most commonly asked questions when it comes to love, relationships and marriage is, how can I get my man to fall deeply in love with me? Okay, here are the 5 tips that I'm going to give you that are going to help you. These are tips that you can do with intentionality in order to have your man fall deeply in love with you. And believe it or not, sex is not on the list, because for you to go as far as the bedroom, you definitely need to have these 5 things nailed down. If you are in a serious long-term relationship, these are definitely going to help you probably secure that ring. Just in case you are married and you want to restore the spark that you once had in your marriage, these tips are definitely going to help you. Just in case somewhere along the line you drop the ball. Okay, the number 1 thing that is going to help your man fall deeply in love with you is to respect him. Oh my goodness, respect is super important. When a man feels respected, that goes a long way towards them having to slide a ring on your finger. Respecting a man is a way of showing him that you are giving him his place. You are showing him that you are not in competition with him. You are showing him that you love and honor him. Okay, everything else that you're going to do in your relationship, or the tips that I'm going to give you, they are definitely going to be linked to this respect thing. The basic of the basics is you respect your man. It's important for you to respect your man. I don't care what culture you're from, where you grew up, respect is respect, and every man desires and craves to be respected. So sis, you better respect that man, okay? Otherwise, I have no idea why you're with him if you cannot respect him. The second thing that you want to do to have your man fall deeply in love with you is appreciation. If you've been on this channel for a minute, you know that I talk about appreciation a lot. Appreciation, gratitude, thankfulness, whatever you want to call it, it's one and the same thing. You definitely want to show appreciation for your man. Whether you are married or not, find things that you can appreciate him. When he does something, appreciate him. If you are married, express how you appreciate how he provides for the family, if he does provide for the family. If you have reversed roles, that is, if you are the breadwinner and he takes care of the children in the house, appreciate that he takes care of the children in an amazing way. As you are expressing this appreciation, make sure that you are sincere, and this appreciation goes beyond your daily lives. It goes as far as the bedroom. Yes, it does. Make sure you thank him every single time it touches you in a way that makes you feel good. After every session, make sure that you thank him. Appreciation, my sister, is a game changer in any relationship. Appreciation, appreciation, appreciation. No matter how little something seems to be, make sure that you appreciate him. Appreciate him for spending time with you. Appreciate him for being there for you in whatever it is. I'm sure you can find things to appreciate him, okay? And I'll go ahead and say, on a day-to-day basis, find between 1 and 3 things to be thankful to your man, okay? Don't go a day or 2 or a week without thanking him or showing some kind of appreciation, okay sis? Okay, let's move on to the third tip that I'm going to give you to have your man fall deeply in love, head over heels with you, and that is, show him that you really care. In the little things, the big things, show your man that you really care. Hey Nokie, how do I do that? Fix him his lunch, whether it's a sandwich or whatever. Involve him, ask him what he wants, what kind of meal he wants to have. If he has a special diet, make sure you focus on his special diet and don't just have that attitude of
whatever I cook is what everybody's going to eat.
Take into consideration what his diet or what his preferences are as far as eating and other things. Show your man that you really care. Remind him of things that he needs to be reminded of in a gentle and loving way. Ask him how you can help him in whatever, whether it's deciding what he wants to wear or preparing for the next day. Find something that will show him that you really care for him, okay? There are many many things that you can do to show your man that you really care. For example, if he wasn't home and he comes home and you know that he loves watching sports, make sure that you turn it on as soon as he gets home, okay? It's in the little things. These things don't need to be huge, humongous things. It's in the little things, and pay attention to detail. When you pay attention to detail during the time that you are dating and all the way to your married life, make sure that you pay attention to detail. It is in paying attention to those small minute details that you are going to be expressing to him how much you love him. So show him that you really care, and remind him how much you love him by telling him you love him. Don't always wait for him to be the one who's saying I love you, babe. Also tell him, be the first one to tell him that you love him, okay? Now let's move on to the fourth tip that will have your man falling deeply and madly in love with you, and that is show interest in his interests, okay? This goes a long way. Just like I said previously, if you know that your man loves basketball, he loves soccer, he loves football, turn that program on for him and be interested. Be keen on learning. If it is a sport that you are not familiar with, be keen to learn. Ask him so that you can understand the sport and join him whenever he's watching it, okay? By saying show interest in his interest, I am by no means saying that lose your identity. Maintain your interest as well. I know you ladies are so good at doing multiple things, and I know you can switch from your interest to his interest. Do not lose your identity in the process. Be interested in whatever you are interested in, and make sure that you are interested in what your man is interested in. If he loves a certain part of the country, surprise him by arranging a vacation to that place. This will not just demonstrate that you love and care for him, but it will show that you are a very thoughtful person, and a lot of men appreciate women who are thoughtful, okay? I know you got this and you got it right, okay? And then at number 5, I know there could be more, but I just wanted to keep this short and sweet and straight to the point. At number 5, celebrate your man. Yes, celebrate him. By that I mean always make sure that you remember his birthday, remember your anniversary, celebrate some special dates in his life. When he gets promoted, make sure you celebrate that promotion. You're not just celebrating his birthday, anniversary, or a milestone, but also celebrate his wins, okay? When he closes on that real estate property that he desired to close on, celebrate. When he gets a promotion at his job, celebrate with him. Show him that you really care. This will definitely have him fall head over heels in love with you. Of course, there are many other things that you can do to have your man fall head over heels in love with you without even incorporating sex. Yeah, take time to be that special woman who does things that nobody else does in his life, who remembers dates that nobody else remembers in his life, who shows a keen interest on his upbringing, show a keen interest on his job, show a keen interest on his favorite relatives, his background. Just be interested in your man, and that is definitely going to take your relationship to greater heights. Another important thing that I've spoken about in the past that you need to do as a woman is to learn your spouse's love language. Learning your spouse's love language is going to go a long way in making him feel like, oh yes, this woman cares for me and she loves me, okay? Make sure that you subscribe. Remember to click that notification bell and like this video so that other people looking for similar content may find it. If you enjoyed this video, my friend, I know for sure that you'll enjoy this next one here. Remember to do small things with great love. From my heart to yours. Don't forget to keep it spicy. Adios. God bless you. I love you. I sincerely do. Bye-bye.